7 ways to fix your devices not detecting the Airprint printer. Check if the printer is compatible. It's important for the printer and your device to be compatible with each other. The printer won't work with your Apple device if they're incompatible. You can check compatibility on Apple's support page. You'll see all printers with Airprint technology compatible with Apple devices. Make sure the printer is set up properly. You should check as if the printer settings are set correctly. Make sure the printer is not in power saving mode but turned on and ready to receive commands from your device. Also check if the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple device. Check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on iPhone and iPad. Open the Settings app. Then tap on Wi-Fi. You should see if you're connected to the internet and if connected to the right one. Make sure you're connected to a private network, as Airprint doesn't work on public networks due to security reasons. Go back to Settings. Tap on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is turned off, toggle the switch to enable the feature. To check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on Mac, click on the Apple logo and select System Preferences. Go to Network. Make sure you're connected to the same internet as the printer and the network is private, not public. Go back to Preferences and click on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If not, click on the Turn Bluetooth On button. Update your devices. To update iPhone and iPad, go to your device settings. Tap on General. At the top, tap on Software Update. Wait while it searches for updates. If found any, tap on Download and Install. To update Mac, click on the Apple logo. Go to System Preferences. Click on Software Update. Wait while Mac searches for updates. If found any, click on Upgrade Now. Reset network settings. To reset the network on the Airprint printer, disconnect it from the internet connection and turn it on again after a few seconds. To reset the network on iPhone and iPad, open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Enter the device passcode and confirm the action. When the settings are reset to default, connect your Wi-Fi again. To reset the network on Mac, click on the Apple logo. Go to System Preferences, click on Network. From the left sidebar, select your Wi-Fi network. Then click on Turn Wi-Fi Off from the right side. Wait for a few seconds and click on Turn Wi-Fi On. Restart your devices. When nothing helps, a simple restart can solve all your problems a lot of the time. Restart all your devices, including your Apple device, the internet router, and the printer. To restart the router and the printer, turn the device off, wait for a minute, and turn it back on. Reconnect the printer to Mac. From the menu bar, click on the Apple icon. Go to System Preferences, then click on Printers and Scanners. From the left sidebar, select the printer, click on the minus button, and select Delete Printer. After a few seconds, click on the plus button and add the printer again. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.